In this video, we will present the vector outline. Vector is a special outline type. Any outline shape that is said to be vector can be turned into a fill pattern if placed on top of any satin or step object. Let's see how this works using this leaf as an example. Set the outline of this freehand object into vector. A vector outline has no stitches. It looks like an artwork object. The only difference is that if a vector object is placed on top of any satin or step object, it creates a pattern with the shape of that vector. Just like that, the leaf is divided into satin parts. So the main usage of this tool is to create satin look on large areas where satin wouldn't be the typical choice. With the vector fill tool, you can create beautiful designs by drawing over large satin or step-filled shapes. Any outline you draw is automatically converted into stitch penetration points in the underneath shape. The vector type has only the form fill option. By default, when applying vector, the only stitches, except for those on the edge of the object, are on the outline of the vector fill. If you enable form fill, then the object is normally filled with stitches, except for the part that is inside the vector fill, which becomes satin. When used in combination to other tools, you can easily create unique effects. Change it to vector. Use array fill on a shape. And you have created a unique fill pattern. Furthermore, by clone editing, you can produce any pattern variation you like. Please have in mind that since vector fill creates satin look on large areas, you need to be paying attention to the maximum length of the stitches. Otherwise, longer stitches may be converted to thread trims by the machine.